good. Let's try the different options here. Make some different shapes. Also, we will use the shapes. So we have to make the selection there. We will make a different design.